In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can make a hyperlink in mobile. So let's dive right in. After opening your Play Store, you can search for Google Docs. Here it is, you can install it. After installing this Google Docs, in order to make a hyperlink in mobile, you can open it. So firstly, you need to sign in with your account. After signing in with your account, in the right bottom side, it will show you this plus icon. If you click on that, it will start creating a document. Here it is, you can open it. And now you can type any text here. So after writing text, now this is the text that I want to make a hyperlink. So what we can do is simply select this text that you want to make a hyperlink. After selecting it, it will give you this sum of options like cut, paste, select all and add comment. But if you click on these three dots that's showing with it, it will open up this new window where you will get option add emoji reaction or insert a link. You have to click on this insert a link and this window will open. Now you can see here in text section, click on is written. When someone click on this text that's showing, it will take you to that link that we will paste here in this link section. So I already copied a link that I will paste here. Simply keep tap on that link option and it will show you a paste option after copying a link. And then on the right upper side, it will show you this tick. If you click here it is. Now this text is showing in blue color because this text has an hyperlink. Now after clicking this OK, and if we click on this text that's showing in blue color, it will open up this link at the bottom side. That's called hyperlink. Now click on these three dots that's showing right top side and from here you can select here, select and export. Share a copy. You can select document type like Word, PDF and many more. I'm selecting this PDF. Click OK and it will open up these sum of apps to share this. I will open this WhatsApp. Select account where you want to send this. Here it is. Now if you open it and click on this blue text that have hyperlink, it will take us to the link that we included in Google Docs. So that's the process to make hyperlink in mobile in just few easy steps.